Hidden somewhere near Kanyakumari, as you hike up a thickly forested foot track, you pass through a mandir, seemingly a part of rock, as if whispering ancient secrets. However, this was not my destination. It was just a milestone to a place ahead, which few dared to tread. A shadowed cavern, where even daylight loses its way. Locals believe in this place, goddess Vali, consort of Lord Kartikeya, once dwelled, and her spirit still guards the entrance. To reach inside, I had to wade through knee-deep water. Here, courage is not an option. It's an entry fees. This was just a preview to the journey. The actual started much before early in the morning, when darkness was still overwhelming the twilight of the rising sun. I got ready quickly, put on my shoes, picked my bike keys, and carrying my backpack, throttled my bike into darkness with only the headlight piercing the way on the isolated highway. I was traveling from Tirunelveli to a place near Nagercoil called Kumarakovil, where college Narool Islam for higher education was situated. Now as I'm nearing Narool Islam College, you can see the hill ahead where that cavern is situated. So parking my bike, I was joined by my friends and we slowly started moving towards the destination. As we moved forward, we could find a small temple within the rock which was built inside a cave. But we didn't dwell much there because we were much focused towards the cavern where the waterfall existed. So we kept on moving towards this rocky pathway which was unpaved through the jungle. As per our guide ahead, we have about to reach the waterfall.
Yeah.
Vali, Chunai. Okay.
If you listen in the silence, you can hear the sound of the water.
Yeah. We can hear the sound of the water flowing, but the camera is able to catch up or not. That will come to know in the edit only. Yeah, lot of undergrowth. Oh, so our guide is saying a beautiful view. That's the hill, and down below the what valley is it? What town is it?
Kumarakovil.
Kumarakovil. Okay, that temple also. The tip is visible.
Mountain.
Yeah. So I think we are going there on top.
The re-entrant between these two hills.
Okay, these two hills, there is a waterfall, I believe. Oh, what a view, man. And this is the Vali Chunai. Vali Chunai. So a lot of rocks and water flowing underneath these rocks. Maybe waterfall is ahead. Yeah. Oh, water is less. Waterfall.
It's supposed to be the waterfall.
It's supposed to be the waterfall, but unfortunately for us, water is very less.
But in rain,
Yeah. So this is the cave. Yeah. This is the cave. Yeah. So generally people go inside, and if my friends are adventurous, we'll go inside. Yeah, Unni.
No, not really.
Huh? Yeah. Coming inside. So it's dark and dingy in there.
Yeah.
So, but
Acha, the waterfall is inside.
yeah.
I
Okay.
thought this was the.
We'll take our shoes and then move inside.
ये जहाँ मैंने लकड़ी रखी है वहाँ पे एक पत्थर है सर, और उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा स्लशी है.
We have started moving inside. So one cameraman is behind our guide and I am ahead. Three people are going ahead. And as you can see, it's dark here and water is still knee depth. It is still here. So here's the stone. Okay. Oh my. The waterfall. The cave waterfall is there.
Anything is visible in that?
Some stones are there, sir. From. There is one.
Moving out. Yeah. So our team is also coming out. Whoa. Good adventure, psych man. Today the day has been made. Yeah, today's breakfast has been earned. Breakfast has been earned. Yeah. I had heard of this place, but this is the first time I am going inside. And it was really good. So if anybody is near to Nagercoil, Kanyakumari, or even to Nellai, Tirunelveli, this is the place one should come for a real adventurous feeling. Great man.
And thanks for getting me here, sir. Yeah,
Thanks to this man.
No.
He is the man.
Thanks to you.
Obviously, he is the person who brought me here. Yeah. So, yeah. What do you have to say about this hike today? Any feeling?
Fourth time, sir.
Fourth time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. और आपका क्या है?
I am coming in the first time only. We are very enjoy.
Oh, really excited.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So if anybody comes here, though even if you come with any other feeling, the excitement, josh, everything will come here. Fresh water and totally prehistoric type of feeling coming there. I think it's a very old cave. What do you say?
must be.
It's called Wali Chunai.
Wali Chunai.
sir.
Wali means
Murugan and wife.
Oh, as per him, the Lord Murugan wife, Walai.
Valli.
Valli, goddess Valli.
Chunai.
She used to stay here.
And Chunai means? Chunai means?
Cave. Waterfall.
Chunai means that spring which is coming up.
Spring.
And here, if you see,
Vinayagar, Murugan.
we have got rock cut features of the Ganesha. I think one is Ganesha, na?
Yes, sir. Ganesha.
Okay, one is Ganesha.
And Murugan.
One is Ganesha. This is Murugan. This is Valli. Okay, the wife. Okay. The brother of Murugan, Ganesha. Great man. So again, it will be going down. My friends have got ready. And now it's my turn to change clothes. Okay, though heart doesn't want us to go from here, but time constraint, like always, need to move out and go back. We'll see if there is some place to sit. Then we'll go sit there and have some tidbits. But it was a great place. You can see the area around. Woohoo! Great, beautiful. Yeah. There is a viewpoint somewhere ahead above, so let's see how it is, and then maybe we'll get some view of the valley down below. You need to be careful as there are funny bushes around. What is that, man? Coming. Come. Viewpoint is this side. Viewpoint this side. Viewpoint. We are going to viewpoint?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See how the viewpoint is. Okay. What an adventurous ride, man. Great to be here. After the bike ride. So we were down below, and from there we have taken that circuitous route and then come up, and now going little bit more. So there is a viewpoint from where we'll be getting the view of the valley. Yo. Oh, beautiful, man. The view behind. Woohoo! Great. Yeah. Oh. Can you see the view behind? Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Oh, beautiful. There are clicks of photographs. Yeah. And some small clips of this beautiful place. So my wish of coming to this place has been fulfilled.
That being a forested area, we can't go ahead of this place.
So this is a forested area behind us, and it is a private property. So the maximum height which we could take, we are able to come. And we have come from down below. If you can see, there is a white pitch building. So that is the Narool Islam College. From there we have come. So not much of a climb. I think even small kids can also do it. What do you say?
Very short.
Yeah. So thanks for bringing us here. Now time to move down. So now we are going down to the same path on which we had come up. And it will take us around 10-15 minutes to reach the college location from where we had started. So we have come to the culmination of this video. and it was a great day with that beautiful waterfall inside the cave, which was kind of a unique for me.
It was very unique.
And then that viewpoint. So as I had told earlier, that my plan was to come earlier because of the forest fire, I was not able to come. And this time, because of the rains, it's totally green, and it was beautiful going up through this trail, and with a lot of friends here. Earlier that time my plan was to go solo, but I'm lucky and fortunate that this time I got a lot of friends to go around to that place. So it was quite exciting.
Things happen at the right time for the right company.
Yeah. So we say cheers, okay? Yes, sir. Yay! Okay, last. Okay, good for the hike. Yay! So take care, all the best, and next we'll see you in the next event or somewhere else. Okay? Keep the josh.
Yes, sir.
Keep fit.